Hello and welcome back to our weekly cooking lesson. Today we will cook a very easy pie. Easy because you can wake everything with a single cup. So yeah, I would say let's start. These are the things we need for our pie. A cup, a bowl, then some flour, sugar, baking powder, some hapukoor, some neutral oil. It's very important that you take neutral oil. If you put something like olive oil, it has this taste of the olive. We want to avoid that. Then some cacao. Best would be some sweet one. 3 eggs. Some hazelnuts. And some black chocolate. We will start off by adding 1 cup of flour to our bowl. Then we will add 1 cup of sugar, as well as 1 cup of cacao. The only ingredient which we can't weigh with our cup is the baking powder. So we will use a simple teaspoon to weigh it. We will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we can add half a cup of neutral oil, as well as 1 cup of hapukoor. Then we can add our 3 eggs. I cut our hazelnuts a little bit smaller. It's a little bit more tasty in the pie. And I will add about half a cup. I also cut the black chocolate a little bit into small pieces, and I will also add them now to our big bowl. I added about half a cup as well. Now all our ingredients are in the bowl and we can start to mix it. Now if everything is mixed, we can add it to our cake pan. Now we can put our cake into the oven. And we will heat it up to 160 degrees. Heating system down and upwards. We can now leave the pie for 50 minutes in the oven. And if you would like to vary a little bit with the ingredients, it doesn't really matter. You can add some berries. You can also leave the chocolate out, but I wouldn't recommend that because it's really tasty. So I took the cake out of the oven, it's ready now, and I would recommend to you to eat it when it's still warm, and maybe to add a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. And yeah, if you like the cake, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and yeah, head easy. See you next time.